Hello everyone, welcome to the module 4 Advanced Excel Features for Data Analysis. So in this module, I will give you introduction about the what all are the advanced Excel features in Excel, and then we'll discuss about the advanced formula like index match, array formulas, data validation and drop down list, and I'll explain you what if analysis. Okay. So we all know the Excel has a long been a staple in a data analysis, and its capabilities extend far beyond the basic spreadsheet functions, right? So mastering these advanced features within the Excel is a crucial for its full potential and gaining the competitive edge in our data analysis. So in this session, we will explore the importance of these advanced features and delve into the four primary components that contribute to the comprehensive toolkit for the data analysis. So, main importance of this advanced feature is increased efficiency. So, these advanced features in Excel streamline the complex tasks, reduce the time and efforts required for the data analysis. Okay, and automate smart functions, shortcuts, those all enhance the overall workflow efficiency. Even it helps in enhancing the accuracy and the access to the advanced features empowers users to extract the meaningful insights from the data. So informed decision making relies on the accurate and efficiently analyzed data, and Excel's advanced capability play a pivotal role in achieving this goal. There are total four primary components of the today's session. First one is the advanced formula. So in advanced formula, these serve as a foundation of analysis. It allows the users to perform the complex calculation, manipulate the data, and derive the valuable insights. So functions like you all know the VLOOKUP. Then today we'll discuss about the index match and the array formula are essential tools in this category. Okay. It helps in a data validation. So in data validation tools in Excel helps the prevent the errors by setting the specific criteria for data entry, reducing the likelihood of the inaccuracies and improve the overall reliability of your data. Even we will learn about the drop down list. So it simplifies the data entry by providing the predefined options, reducing the errors, improving the overall efficiency of data inputs. And what if analysis allows the users to model the different scenarios by changing the input values and help the stakeholders make informed decision and based on the potential outcomes. Okay, so we can summarize here and say the mastering the advanced Excel features is a crucial for maximizing the efficiency, ensuring the data integrity, enhancing the user experience, and empowering the decision making in the data analysis, right? And this is an integrated approach that incorporates these advanced components, create a robust toolkit, enabling the analyst to extract the valuable insights and make the informed decisions with the confidence. So let's begin. So I'll give you the introduction to the advanced formula. The first one is an index and match. So index and match function collaborate for dynamic data. So index what does? It retrieves from a range based on a row and columns. Okay, and match what is it? Find the relative position of a specific value in a range. So in an index, what we do? Said we pass the array, we give the row number or column number. Okay, based on that, it gives you a return the value which is there in that particular cell. And what match does? Match look up for the value in that particular area. So if you collaborate them, what will happen? The match function applied to find the relative position of specific lookup within the range, and index what will take? It takes that row number obtained from the match and specified the column number to retrieve the value from the array. So you can mix them together and get that one, right? So so it works like a VLOOKUP, but it is has a advantages over the more than the traditional VLOOKUP. Okay, so no column limitations in this. So unlike VLOOKUP, index match is not restricted to looking up the values only in a first column of the table. Okay, this makes it more versatile for working with the data sets and where the data is not always organized in the left to right manner. And it has a adaptability to changes, so it adapts seamlessly to the changes in the data structure and no need to adjust the column numbers or rearrange the data. The formula adjusts dynamically like that. Okay, so what we do, you can take any value and match that one, take that value as a VLOOKUP and set the lookup area. Okay, so there are three match type. Okay, so 0 is means exact match, 1 is greater than, and -1 is a less than. So it, so based on the match type you can find out. Similarly, what index does, we need to return the range. Okay, so we'll first select the range and match result. So whatever the result you want to match, that you can pass it there. Okay, so, and verify the result. So let's try. I'll take a user 10. Okay, we'll try to match that. So we need to look up. Where we need to look up? We will look up in the user. Okay. Sorry. What we need to look up? We want to look up the user 10. Where we need to look up? We need to look up in the user column. And what will be the match type? 1 is a less than, 0 is the exact match, and -1 is a greater than. So I'm taking a 0 because I want exact match. And I got it the 10th row. So let's see, the user 10 is in the 10th row. Yes, it is in the 10th row because we have started from here. So these are our row numbers now. Okay. Now we'll try for the match. What, sorry, index. So what we need to find out, I want to find out in a beaches. Okay. What will be the row number? So row number is that where the user 10 is there. Okay. So what is that? The 10th one value is 3.64. It has returned to me. So this way we can bring them together. So match result we will pass here and we will give the return range. So this way you can get the value from any of the column which should be the result of the match, or even it works individually also. So it's up to you what is your requirements. Okay. I hope it's clear index match to everyone. Next, arrays formula. So arrays in a Excel are powerful tools that can perform multiple calculations. Okay. So it is advanced features that allows to perform the multiple calculations simultaneously on one or more items in an array. So these formulas can handle the complex data analysis task efficiently and provide the several advantages for users working with the large data sets. Okay. So purpose and advantage of that what's handling the multiple calculation and ideal for the complex data analysis tools. And it has a benefits like streamlining the complex operation, means it simplifies the overall structure of our worksheets and making it easier to understand and maintain, and increase the formula power. So array formulas provide the enhanced computational power by allowing you to perform the operations on multiple values without the need for the iterative formula. So they supports a wide range of functions and operation, including the mathematical, logical, and statistical functions, making them versatile tool for data analysis. So let's try how it works. What is the normal formula and how what is the array formula? Okay. So 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 this is a sum. Okay, what we have done, we have multiplied B2 into C2, means sold and price. Okay, how many items has been sold and what is the price for each item. And this is a subtotal. Okay, so now we have what we did the multiplication first and then calculated the sum of that. But array formula, what we did, we have done sum of, taken the range of this into range of this. Okay, so means what they are actually doing, it multiplying 10 into 50 plus 20 into 70, 30 into 10 plus 10 into 30. Directly it is doing here. So if you see, it reduce your work. You don't need to do this one. Directly you are getting the answer. So this is called the array formula. Understood? So in a one column only we are doing, without this column, we can calculate the multiplication and find out the uh, main total, right? So rather than finding the sold into price, means number of items into price for each one, and then doing a total and then finding, we can directly use the array formula and calculate the total cost of that. Got it? So this way the array formula works. Okay. Next is the data validation and drop down list. So what is the importance of the data validation? So it define for setting up the data validation. The first one is defining the data validation rules. So we select the range of the cells where we want to apply the data validation. So we go to the data tab, click on the data validation. In the dialog box, we set the criteria such as whole number, decimal, dates, text length, like that. Specify the condition that must be met for that data to be considered valid. And then we create the drop-down list, follow the same steps above the access of the data validation dialog box. Choose the list option under and allow the drop-down menu. In the source field, enter the list of the valid options separately by the commas or prefer to the range containing the list, and apply this validation and list to the cells. Okay, so we do the setting up that one and we do it. So I'll explain you how we do it. So I'll go here. We will go to the data. We have a data validation here. So you can go to the settings. Okay, so this is a validation criteria. You can set any of this. So right now I'm going for the list. Okay, and you can choose your source. So you can type by separating the comma, or you can choose your source. So I'm choosing my source is the products, and you can choose the OK. So now what will happen? It has created the, I can type here product. Okay, so you, okay, one second. It has automatically created your list. Okay, so now you can choose any product from here. Kiwi, you can choose lemons, you can choose mango, you can choose peaches. So this helps in um, enter your data for the specific cells, right? Typing again and again, you can create this list and do based on that. Okay, so this way we can take it like this. So it's easy for us to create a data set like this. So there will be a no typing mistakes and spelling mistake in that. It is helpful. Okay. So this contribute to the efficient data entry and consistency across your data sets. Okay. Let's move to the next, that is what if analysis overview in Excel. So what if analysis in Excel is very powerful features that enables users to explore the various scenario by changing the input values and observing the resulting impact on the calculated value. So it allows for the dynamic and interactive modeling, helping the users make informed decisions based on the different assumptions or choices. So you can do the statistical decision making in this. So there are a lot of benefits of that. It's efficiently organize and analyze the set scenario. It's ideal for the strategic planning and sensitivity of the analysis. So I'll explain you the scenario here first. So I'll take an example. I'll show you. Okay, so we'll take an example of this, right? Mm, I want to do the payment. Okay, so I have taken a loan of 3,60,000 and I want to repay that. Okay, and my interest rate is 10%. But how much I want to pay means what amount I want to pay as a EMI. So in case I want to pay 4,000 rupees. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I have a 4,000. I want to pay, do the payment of 4,000 rupees. So let's find out how many years are required to repay that uh, loan. Okay. So what if analysis? In that we will choose the goal 6. Okay. My goal 6. So set cell. So set cell is should contain your formula. So my formula is in the payment. Okay. To what value? So I want 4,000 rupees. Okay. And which row you want to change? So I want to change the terms in month. Okay. So what happen if I pay my target value to pay the 4,000, okay, per month. So terms in a month will come 167. So I need a 13 months. Sorry, 13 years to repay this loan if I pay payment of only 4,000. If I want to pay 8,000 rupees per month. So how many months I required to pay? So if you see it's I need 56 months, means in a 4 years I can repay that one, right? So if my age is 60, so it will be more, right, for me. Now if in case my age is 40 years and I can pay only 2,000 rupees per month. Okay, so how many years it will require for me to repay this loan? It's calculating. So it's unlimited, right? So I'll pause this one. It's not possible. So we'll take the some feasible value now. Okay. So I can pay 40,000 per month and my changing is a terms in a month. So in a 9 month only, I can repay my payment. So this way you can set. So in this, what if analysis does? So you need to go to the goal seek and set cell. So this set cell should contain some formula. So we have here taken the formula, right? So we have taken the interest divided by 12. Okay, so you are calculating the PMT here. So we are calculating the PMT here. Based on that, you can choose your formula, whatever the formula you want, and what value will be there and what will be your changing in. So my value is 20,000 and my change my changing sale is terms in a month. So this way it calculates for you. Okay. So this way, what if analysis works. So it is very helpful in your financial analysis things or any things where you want to use this one. Okay. So it just changing the input values and observe the resulting impact on your calculated values. I hope it understood by everybody. So we have talked about the index match, array formula, and handling the data. And even we understood the data validation drop down list. So it's what is the maintain, how it is important to maintaining the data integrity, streamlining the data entry process. So even we discuss about the what if analysis, and what is the goal 6 and how we can explore the possibilities and inform the decisions. Okay. So I hope you understood this module. This is all are the very advanced features and those are very important. So we have a small assignment after this module. Please complete that one so you will get the good hands-on practice on this. Thank you and congratulations on completing this module, fourth module. So after fourth module, uh, there is a last module which is your project on the Excel, which will help you to use all your learnings, whichever you have learned in this Excel, all the 4 modules, you can use your learnings and complete that project. Thank you so much. All the very best.